Somebody got to be better than Jordan. Why not you?
Hey yo, it's JNanjoe. That video that you just saw, the intro of this video is LeVar Ball saying somebody had to be better than Michael Jordan. Why not you? And the title of this video is Why Not Me? And I'm not speaking for just myself, but for everybody out there. We all got our dreams and aspirations, and someone in your family had to break that chain of mediocrity and normality. Why not you? Why not me? You know what I'm saying? Somebody had to bring my family out of, not struggle, but I mean, depends on who you ask, but normal life, you know? I thought to myself, why not me? Somebody had to start thinking differently and tackling different responsibilities and accepting those responsibilities. Why not me? And that hits home for me because, you know, back then I just didn't understand why I'm kind of set to a higher standard compared to, I guess I would just say, my brothers. Now, I used to hate it. It's like, man, why are you doing this to me? Like they want, it's like my parents kind of wanted more from me. Like, I don't know if this is true, but this is just how I felt now looking back. And, you know, now I totally understand. And, you know what I'm saying? It's just, I feel like it's my duty, if I ever to have a kid, which I will, once I get my kids, to make them understand that, yo, I'm treating you this way because I want you to, I know you're great. You know what I'm saying? I'm conscious of this now and I'm aware of it. And, you know, that's what I'm going to do. Now, I kind of went to a deeper hole with that thing, but, man, you know, the reason why I'm making this video is like, and I thought of LaVar Ball is, you know, like I've mentioned before in my previous talks and videos, I didn't know any direction. I didn't know what I wanted to be in life. All I know is that I didn't want to be broke. I didn't want to work at Wendy's. I didn't want to get stuck working at a quote-unquote regular job. And like I said, there's no offense to people out there that are working at these jobs. You know, I feel like it's a good start, and I feel like you should do better. You should try to move up. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't, that's on you. But in my life, I didn't want that to be my life forever. I wanted to. Really, I didn't have any, like, you know, passion or whatever back. I didn't know. I wasn't aware of it. I'll put it that way. And I was just like, man, I just want to work an office job. I just don't want to work hard labor. And I manifested that, you know what I'm saying? And now that I know where I want to go and what route I want to take, it's like I need to pursue this no matter what. And now that I'm caught up in career and stuff, you know, I feel like I'm kind of balancing it out. You know what I'm saying? Like, I need to stop just fucking around, and that's what I'm gonna do, is put more time into my passion instead of just messing around watching. Even when I go on YouTube, I feel like I'm not wasting time because I'm watching like motivational videos, quote unquote motivational videos, or just picking people's brains in general. And you know, man, like I was just sitting the other day and I was like, man, I thought about LaVar Ball, right? Like I said, it's like somebody had to be better than Efren Reyes. Somebody had to put pool in the map, and I feel like I got what it takes. I don't want to sound cocky, and I know a lot of people don't want to say that, and deep down they do, but I feel like I really do, man. And I don't think I'm wrong. You know, I've been wrong in my many times in my life. Everybody's made mistakes, but I truly believe it. Like I just gotta like Conor McGregor this shit, you know, Kanye West this shit. You feel me? Like, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, Conor McGregor is like, UFC was already popping, but Conor just made it different. Like when he came out, I think I was a senior in high school or a freshman in college, around 2015, 2016, around that time. And I was already like UFC, you know, Chris Lieben, because that was my favorite fighter, because he just never gave up, you know. And I didn't know it back then, but now it's like, yo, I was already onto something, you know. And anyways, Conor just changed the game. Like, ooh, like, man, he spoke things into existence, and some people might call him cocky, but yo, he did his shit, and now he put UFC in the map, and you know, highest paid fighter ever. And yeah, just Google it, man. Like, he changed the game. And you know, Kanye West, you know, like, man, watching his documentary Donda on Netflix, and like, I don't know if that was the title, but it was like a 3-episode series on Netflix, and I watched it and I was just like, yo, that's crazy. Like, he knew what he wanted to be, and he pursued it. That was his natural gift. And just like Conor, you know what I'm saying? And I was like, man, like, I finally found it, and I can't waste it. Like, it's so crazy, because like I said, man, I used to post videos. Posted a video before, I don't know if you watch it, and I was just like, yo, I didn't know what I want. I don't know what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? And it was kind of crazy, because it kind of transitioned into speaking into YouTube. And the crazy thing was, I remember this, like, back in the Philippines, I made us write what you want to be when you grow up, and I wrote like myself, like, being in like a, what is it, like, you know, at church or whatever, the preacher speaks in a podium, and like, I would have my hand up and people were listening, and now I'm doing that, you know what I'm saying? And excuse me, even though I'm not a priest, but, you know, kind of speaking, you know what I'm saying? And it's just crazy how that is, and how like, that turned out. And like, then I found, like, I told myself I was speaking also, like, oh, it wasn't good at anything. And now I found, like, yo, like, I forgot about pool, and like, I think I got the it factor, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, I just feel like I'm born to do this shit. And I feel like, man, like, I feel like the pool just, schools need pool. Like, it's not just a hobby thing. Like, like, when we came over from the Philippines to here in the US, like, there was no pool in like school, or like, it wasn't really famous. Like, it was like a kind of like a hangout thing, or like older people, and it wasn't pushed to me. And I feel like pool needs, man, he needs attention, and I feel like I can bring that, and, you know, we'll see where it takes me. I feel like this is where I'm naturally gifted at, and, you know, I have to pursue something that I'm naturally gifted at, because, yo, I just want to get better and better and better. And like, seeing all these, you know, like I said, I started playing back again around last year, and seeing all these people that they say are good, and I just want to play it, you know. And like, they always want to gamble and etc., and which is fine, that's to each is their own, but I just don't see a point. Why gamble? You know what I'm saying? I mean, no offense, but you're not getting rich off it, and, you know, I'm trying to create generational wealth, and I feel like they just won't do that. Now they say, like, I won't get better, but I've been getting better, just, you know, learning from like mind mentalities, watching, and actually doing it my own, and understand there's pressure. And that's probably I would say the main point of gambling is the pressure. But anyways, I just feel like pool needs a different stigma. And, yo, I'm just excited, and, you know, somebody had to change the game. Somebody had to bring attention to pool. Why not me? You know, and I feel like everybody should think that way. And I'm speaking, hopefully, I'm not just speaking for myself, maybe don't speak in my experience, but speaking for everybody. Why not you? You know, but why not you? You can change your family, you can break the chain. You can be that person, you can be the catalyst. You know, if you want to be the next Elon Musk, why not you, man? Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Fuck all the negative shit, bro. Like, you got it. You feel me? And yeah, man, that's the gist of it. Be limitless, y'all. Be limitless. And why not you? Why not me? You know what I mean? Like, follow your dreams. Chase the bag. Don't chase it. Attract the bag. And that's all we gotta do is follow our purpose. And I truly believe this. I'm not even getting shit right now, but I believe this, and I know it's coming to me. Like, Jay-Z, I forgot the whole quote there, but pretty much, you just gotta follow your natural talent, and it will come to you. Now, I don't know if I've mentioned that in my past videos, but I'm trying to instill this in my brain without even thinking about it. You know, just off the rip, follow your dreams. Why not you? You can change your family tree, all that shit, man. Be limitless. On Betty. Peace.
Produced, mix master, engineer, written by me.